think people feel there's a, how should I put this? Let me think. I think people associate the word condom with less pleasure, with less connection, you know? What may feel like 5 seconds of an inconvenience or a halted or thwarted moment can absolutely prevent a lifetime of potential grief and suffering. It's a dialogue that people don't want to have. It's uncomfortable, it's awkward. A lot has to do with that fantasy belief that that could never happen to them, you know, and that's something that I can speak to. I pretty much felt the same way. That's stuff for other people, you know. When I went public with my HIV condition, the amount of searches immediately went up by millions. The dialogue that started taking place, people started coming out of the shadows and started walking through the fear, and that was powerful. When I heard that, I was proud to have turned something that seemed so completely negative and life disruptive into change and healing. Just to put words on it is empowering, and it's a sense of relief. Things that are most different, things I address health-wise, things that not only can't I do anymore, but choose not to, you know, so there's great change there. So those are changes that maybe I didn't come to initially on my own, but sometimes you have to be guided somewhere to reach a different place, a different reality, you know. And then you hear things like, youth is wasted on the young. I get it. I get it. I don't know why it hasn't happened, but the condom has not changed for 70 years until right now. I sincerely believe I can truly support LELO HEX and influence the use of them through my experiences, through my life. There's an odd combination now. You know, people still want to be like me or experience my life, but there's a little detail that they want no part of, so they can avoid that by using this.